the phone. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this and Dre creep to the mic like a.
So guys, today is January 29th. Happy Chinese New Year, and it's still a week before OK Camp Out Season 3, but we decided to pack early. You know, better than packing early than cramming when it's already game time. Flex lang natin yung sticker box. OK, Jack, sarap buhay. And recently we just started our motorcycle journey. We're using Royal Enfield Hunter 350 Dapper Gray. So we're also now following Katagumpay and Mr. Jetla, of course. So we are already at NLEX. Malis kami sa bahay ng 1, 2, 3.
No, 4.
4. And nandito na kami sa Petron somewhere NLEX. Before you make the turn, Bakersfield Beach, this might be the last convenience store here. Don't forget to secure your eyes. So just a quick pit stop at the Subic Bay. So, andito na kami sa Kwentong Dagat. Sambales na, di ba?
Yeah, of course.
Yan. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng mga villas nila. And then, yung papunta sa beachfront. Woo! Aesthetic. So, mag-spend daw kami ng day 1 dito kasi ang aking very brilliant wife found this again. And mas okay nga naman na dumating kami ng earlier kaysa bukas or sa 5-7 magkakram kami sa OK Camp Out Season 3. Yan, malapit na kami sa beachfront. Magkano arkilahan tong buong at arkilado mo?
Actually, inarkila ko ito lahat. So, kita nyo, walang tao, kundi lang.
Ang galing, para kang tatawid sa relaxation site. So guys, ang first kong pinuntahan is Kwentong Dagat. It's located here at San Felipe, Zambales. And meron akong nakilala, tapos nagkasabay lang kami sa taco joint. Nagkakwentuhan lang kami tungkol sa Overland Kings sa Jack episode. Tapos ayaw nang lumayo sa akin. Ano nga name mo, te?
Ish.
Ish daw, ish. Kidding aside, yung rates dito is 500 pesos per head, inclusive of tent. So yun lang alam namin kasi yun lang yung intent din namin, because we're just you know, making tambay while waiting sa OK Campout Season 3. And ayun, yung food dapat meron kang dala kasi meron silang corkage fee, meron silang free breakfast na vegan meals, and okay naman dito, tahimik and it's clean. Ikaw, anong kwentong dagat mo? So guys, we're here at Liwalays, Zambales. Grabe yung pizza nila. If you could see here, it's called Cafe de Liwa. Yung pizza na in-order namin is 4 formaggi saka pizza bianca. Yung quality ng cheese saka yung tomato, alam mo ano siya, imported. It's a must pag pumunta kayo dito.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue.